Lil Bit is at the doctor's office. Lil Bit is not feeling too good. Lil Bit, say hi. Say hi, Lil Bit. Say hi, Lil Bit. Say hi. Lil Bit hasn't been feeling well since last night. I noticed that she wasn't as active and she wasn't eating. She didn't even come out for treats last night. She didn't want to come out for breakfast this morning. So that's why she's here now. Okay, a little bit? They're going to hook you up. Prayerfully, the doctors will diagnose her and treat her, and she'll be good and on her way. Or his way. I'm not sure if it's a girl or if Lil Bit is a girl or boy. Lil Bit showed up at the house 4 weeks ago. And she's been there ever since. One day I looked in the backyard and she was back there drinking water. She's so cute. We all fell in love with her. So here we are, waiting for the doctor to come. That's Renee on the wall.